Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking. If you're interested in cybersecurity and want to know which programming languages can give you an edge, you're in the right place. Let's explore the top 5 programming languages for ethical hacking. Top 5 programming languages for ethical hacking. First up, we have Python. Python is a powerhouse in the world of ethical hacking. Its simplicity and readability make it perfect for beginners, while its extensive libraries and frameworks like Scapy and Nmap are invaluable for seasoned hackers. Whether you're scripting, automating tasks, or developing your own tools, Python has got you covered. Next, we have JavaScript. You might be surprised to see JavaScript on this list, but it's crucial for web-based attacks and defenses. Ethical hackers use JavaScript to understand and exploit web vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. If you're into web hacking, mastering JavaScript is a must. Number 3, C and C++. These languages are essential for understanding system-level vulnerabilities. With C and C++, you can dive deep into reverse engineering, exploit development, and even kernel hacking. They offer low-level access to hardware and memory, making them powerful tools for any ethical hacker. Fourth on our list is Ruby. Known for its simplicity and productivity, Ruby is often used in scripting and automation. The Metasploit framework, a popular tool for penetration testing, is written in Ruby. This makes Ruby a valuable language for developing and using security tools. Last but not least, we have Bash. Bash scripting is a must-know for any ethical hacker. It's used for automating tasks, managing systems, and writing quick scripts to exploit vulnerabilities. With Bash, you can chain together powerful commands to perform complex tasks efficiently. So there you have it, the top 5 programming languages for ethical hacking: Python, JavaScript, C and C++, Ruby, and Bash. Each of these languages has its own strengths and use cases, making them essential tools in the arsenal of any ethical hacker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking!